A Toy Unboxers production.
Hey guys, and this is another Beyblade Burst unboxing, and this is Wild Wyvern Burst System, Defense Type, and spins right. So let's open the box. So now let's get this out. Anything left in the box? Nothing left. Let's see the back of the box. It's orbit vertical. And the layer is Wild Wyvern. This is the launcher spline. So let's make this go out. So let's now cut this spline open. Okay, so the spline is open. So now let's take out the rest. But first, let's take out the tape of it first. So see, this part is out, and this is orbit. You see this? This is a free spinning ball. So let's now see what we have here. A launcher. Let's cut it open. This is the launcher. It's black. Okay. Here's Wyvern. And here's vertical. If you're wondering how to assemble the tops, this part should go in this part. So you line it up, and then you put it there, and then you place it there, and then you wind it up. This is a free spinning ball so that it will get a lot of stamina. But this top is a defense type. So yeah, and this is the stickers, and let's now open it. But for the video, we're not gonna do it because it just makes it longer. But yeah, so if you want to read this, read it. Pause the video or something, okay? So this, read it if you want. So this is the line, the ripcord. You place it in like that. This is not a Beyblade Stadium because I just don't have it yet. So if you want to make us have a Beyblade Stadium, subscribe to our channel if you're new, and like and thumbs up and like the video. And if we can hit a like goal of 100,000 likes, that will make us a step closer to have a Beyblade Stadium. So let's test launch the Beyblade. Pretty strong. So bye!
Excited to watch the latest toy unboxing? Subscribe now. It's free. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up